Welcome to our YouTube channel today as we uncover the psychology of flower colors and their meanings. Flowers have a language of their own, and the colors they flaunt hold a significant psychological impact. From the vibrant red of a rose to the tranquil blue of a forget-me-not, each hue conveys a distinct emotion and message. Understanding the psychology behind flower colors can deepen our appreciation for their beauty and help us convey our intentions more effectively. Red, with its passionate and intense energy, symbolizes love, desire, and courage. Yellow radiates joy, happiness, and friendship, while pink embodies sweetness, gratitude, and affection. White, often associated with purity and innocence, represents new beginnings and spirituality. Delving into the world of blues and purples, we find a sense of calm, tranquility, and introspection. The psychology of flower colors extends beyond individual interpretations. Cultural and historical influences shape the meanings associated with specific hues. For example, red can also represent luck and celebration in some Eastern cultures, while white holds funereal connotations in others. By consciously selecting flower colors, we can harness their psychological impact to enhance our personal expressions and create meaningful connections. Whether it's a romantic gesture, a gesture of appreciation, or a heartfelt condolence, the colors we choose can amplify our intentions. So, the next time you gift or decorate with flowers, consider the psychology behind their colors. Let the captivating language of flowers speak volumes, expressing your emotions and intentions in a way that transcends words alone. Links for flowers can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.